Hello everyone, Ires Alliston here, and the other day I actually posted a message on my timeline, and it has something to do with figuring out your why, figuring out your passion as an entrepreneur. And I actually received a handful of messages in my inbox from most of them were coming from introverted entrepreneurs, because as some of you know, I'm actually an introverted entrepreneur. Well, there's this one message that compelled me to do this video, and she actually asked about, Iris, what happens, what do you do if you actually found your why? What's the next step? If you have that passion, what do you do next? Well, for those of you who actually had a chance to read my post, right? My why was about my family. It's about being with my family and spending time with them and having the freedom to do whatever I want to do with my family. They are the ones who makes me want to get up early in the morning to start growing my business, to actually work on my business. And they're the reasons why I stay up late at night to work on my business again, right? They are the ones who compel me to take risks, and as well as to push through despite all the objections and the obstacles that come my way just about every day, right? Or just about every week, seems like, right? And so her message really compelled me, and I want to answer it in this video. So basically, once you found your why, this is my thought on this one. Well, let me share with you just a little story. I have spent, for many years, I have spent a lot of energy, a lot of time, a lot of money trying to figure out what I wanted to do, trying to figure out the solutions to my problems. How do I start my business? How do I grow my business? How can I become a consultant? How can I become an online coach? All those questions, right? How do I grow and scale my business even faster than ever before, right? So all of those things, I've always have that. And I have to hire some coaches and consultants and even mentors to help me along the way. The thing is, over time, I'm gaining these skills, I'm gaining these knowledge, and what happens if I have kept it to myself? If I have not shared that with the world, whatever those things that I'm learning along the way, guess what? I'm not really, no one is benefiting from the things that I have learned if I have kept it to myself, right? So I use that as my passion. I use it to drive me forward by sharing the knowledge and the solutions, and even the ones that I discovered along the way, because I'm trying to solve these problems. I'm trying to come up with ways or methods, right, to really help me propel my business to another level, because along the way you will also learn some of the things that you like, and perhaps you can implement it in your business. Okay, so if we keep sharing what we know and we help people out there, and that doesn't matter if it's one person at a time or hundreds or thousands or millions of people at a time, if you can make a difference in that person's life, guess what? You have done something great, in my opinion. Okay, so that really right there, if you can help people scale up or grow their business or start a business or perhaps lose weight or perhaps, gain financial freedom, gain the freedom that they always wanted, you have really helped them in such a way that is beyond money, okay, beyond all that stuff. Because if you can make that difference, oh my gosh, it's the greatest feeling in the world. And at the same time, even though you're still you might be on your way to trying to figure out your why, your passion, and things like that, you will know it once you actually found your passion. Because that breakthrough there's no other feeling in the world once you actually hit that space or level. You will know it. So I want to encourage you to keep moving forward. I want to encourage you to even take one step at a time. And it doesn't matter if it's one little step day by day or one step, every 2 days, or however that is for you. But I want to encourage you to keep moving forward, strive for the best, right? And it doesn't matter if you're an introverted entrepreneur or not, keep moving forward. because there are so many people out there who are ready to be helped by you, who are ready to listen to what you have to say. Okay, and your message, your words will resonate with those ideal clients, with those people. So keep moving forward, keep pushing through, and by hopefully a year from now, you will be inboxing me again and just say, oh my gosh, Ires, look at all the things that I have done over the past 6 months or 12 months, however that is for you. All right. Again, everyone, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, just comment below or inbox me anytime, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.